Hello everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I'm going to talk about fulfillment services that we offer here. As you know, here in the Bay Area, everything is expensive, so some companies, manufacturers prefer to just have their products here in other facilities and not to invest on establishing a production station here. So that's why there are some fulfillment services around here that they offer even from the beginning of the production of a product to just packaging and to loading services. Most of the drums that you see here in this part are not our own products, even though we make them here, but they are for other companies that we make them with their formulation, and we just get them ready to ship from here. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Your order is here, ready to ship. Catch it.